Everyone, this is Shilpi Khatri from Persona and Academy for Spoken English and Personality Development in Jaipur. This is in sequence to my earlier video where I discussed pronunciation of French alphabets A to Z, and in this video I'll talk about vowel A. Please note that in French we have 6 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and in this video particular I am discuss A. Here I go. A has 2 sounds. Sound number first. A has A, and it is in phonetics it is written like this. This will be a very useful tip for you that when it is written like this, it is sound A. The examples are like this: Nga, she, dam, again A. This means a lady. Table, again A. The meaning is stable. Nawe, this is a verb where it is sounding A, that means to wash. Mag, again A, meaning bag. Path, again sounding A, and the meaning is animal. Awake, awake is a preposition sounding A, the meaning is wake. Now we discuss second sound of A. Please note, for easy understanding, the phonetics is written like this way. This means O. And here, how we can give this sound? When we give pressure to A and R in Hindi, it will create a new word O. And pressure will form this word O. The examples are like this. Path, the meaning is pasta. Shaw. Here T won't be pronounced because the consonant comes in and can never be pronounced. So we pronounce it like shaw. The meaning is cat. 3 rules we have for the sound number second. The first rule is like when we have circumflex here. This means we have cap. For easy understanding, note this is called cap. Just for easy understanding, otherwise the word is circumflex. Tash, the meaning is task. Please compare this with the another word tash without cap. This will be pronounced as tash. The meaning is stay in. This is tash, this is tash. Another word is path with the cap again. This is pasta. And we have another word here for the comparison. This is path. Path, path. The difference is we have circumflex here. We don't have, and another T is introduced here. And the sound is path. The meaning is map. Third word is chateau. Chateau means palace. Fourth word is patisserie. Patisserie means pastry. See the cap again. Fifth word is ngash. The meaning is coward. Now we discuss second rule under 3 rules for second A. Here we go. The sound A is isolated at the end of the word. How? Let's see. The word is sha. Here we won't read T because this is a consonant, and if we have consonant in the last of the word, we never pronounce it. So A will be isolated and it will be pronounced like sha. And sha means cat, the masculine cat. The next word for the comparison is shat. Shat is the feminine cat, where we have E in the end, which is a vowel, and we will give this, it will give the sound. So this will be pronounced as shat. Next word is chaton. Chaton is baby cat. Again we have vowel after T, so it will be pronounced. So the meaning is chaton. Sha, shat, chaton. The sound of shat and chaton is same because we are giving pressure on the last words. But here we have sha because T won't be read. So please understand, last word will not be pronounced if this is a consonant. Another word under this category is spa. Here S is a consonant, we won't read this. So this is pa. Pa means step or negative form. Ga. Ga means guy or boy. Again RS are the consonants, so we won't read them. Now the third rule says the origin of the word explain the pronunciation. If it is of first or second A will be followed, entirely depends on the origin of the word. Now I discuss A plus another letters. It's like AE, that gives the sound I. Maestro, that means master. AI gives sound of A, like main, hand. Maison, house. Maison. AU gives the sound of O. O, that means high. AY is A. But see the difference, it's pay. That means country. Here it's paye. Because we have consonant after Y we have ER. So it's paye. That means to pay. This is a verb. Now another word is AM. This is Amerique. Amerique. If we have vowel after M, it's like this way. If we have vowel after M, we will read it like Amerique. But if we have consonant after M, we'll read it like O, like con, if consonant. Another word is AN. This is A, manoir, and again vowel after N. And this is O if we have consonant after N. This is don. Don means in or within. Say fini. That means this is finished here. In next video I will discuss about another vowel O. You can write about your doubts or queries if you have any related to this video or anything related to vowels on my number 9828226182. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching it.